Hey everyone, if you want to connect Anthropic's Claude Code CLI to N8n so you can trigger automated workflows directly from your terminal prompts, I'll show you how. We'll talk about setting up webhook trigger in N8n, sending payloads from Claude Code, and configuring tools for automated workflows. So firstly, you need to create a webhook endpoint inside N8n that Claude Code can ping to trigger your workflows. So you just open up your N8n canvas and create a new workflow. Then click on create or add a first step, search for webhook and select the webhook trigger mode. Then set the HTTP method to post and copy the test webhook URL from the node settings. Then add your desired action nodes after the webhook, like sending a message or updating a database, and click execute workflow to listen for incoming requests. Next, you can just trigger that N8n workflow directly from your Claude Code CLI session. So open your terminal and launch Claude Code by typing Claude. Prompt Claude by asking it to run a request, and you can type something like send a post request to my N8n webhook with the current project summary, followed by your N8n webhook URL. Claude will execute the command using its built-in tool execution, sending your local project data straight to N8n to process your workflow. That's how it's done. Enjoy as always, and thank you for watching.